you recording?
Back up.
Hey, you recording? I see him. Hey, did you get that on camera? Do you see what my life is about? It's all about anger, violence, heaps of violence. I try to keep it positive, but it can't happen.
And the pursuit of
It's impossible. That woman, she's crazy. Her husband, oh man, that's a killer. Sully, it's done. You see that? Samoan people, they always try to eat that stuff. It's done. Oh, Mom.
You gonna make me pee.
She's really cracked me off right now. You know, Eva, she tried to buy the extra small shirt. She said this fits her. That goes on one of her arms. What about the rest of the body?
She wears tank top outside.
She probably have a girl on right now.
I got it in.
This one.
I gotta go.
I got my nose
Hey,
in.
hey! Mom, I got one. Sorry, what's gonna happen?
Here?
I thought we just
passed it.
No, we don't have a kid till I recently feel like I'm
Oh.
See that? She had the mood swing. She was
That's a
angry
kid's
like 2
size.
seconds ago.
My Nike
Now she's asking for the Foot Locker.
Come on.
Gina, go by your stuff now.